So we're going to jump right in. How common are affairs and why do you think they happen?
They're more common than I would like. I think they happen for a couple of reasons. One is, of course, a dissatisfaction in the relationship, right? So I'm going to look outside when I'm not satisfied in the relationship, but also it could be a result of my past. So if I've had a traumatic past, sometimes that could result in me, seeking somebody outside of my relationship.
So we always hear once a cheater, always a cheater. What's your thoughts on that?
I don't think that's true. I have worked with several couples who have had incidences of infidelity, have come out of it, and really gone to be having very, very successful relationships. So I don't subscribe to that thought.
So when someone has been through that, when would you, not necessarily advise divorce, but when do couples really need to keep working, or when do they just kind of call it quits?
I don't think the infidelity is going to determine when a couple is going to call it quits, right? So to me, a couple needs to call it quits when really there's a communication breakdown. If I'm just not getting through to my partner and my partner is not getting through to me, that's when we think of, okay, maybe there's something to divorce or separation. But I think with infidelity, you can really work through it as long as the partner who has cheated understands that it's going to take a lot of effort on his or her part, a lot of patience to rebuild that trust in the partner who's the victim here.
So how can a couple overcome the infidelity?
I would definitely recommend getting into couples therapy, because that's kind of what we do. When a couple comes in and infidelity, they're coming in because of infidelity, we really help the couple work through those trust issues, because in a sense what's happened is you have broken down the house, right? So we talk about trust and commitment being the two pillars of our relationship house, and both of those are kind of broken or shaken. We need to rebuild that. So we really teach the partners how to do that. The partner who's cheated, how to be patient and rebuild that trust in the partner who's the victim, and also the partner who's the victim, to teach them forgiveness, right? Like, how do I move on from this? Because obviously it's a very hurtful experience for them.